Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I've got something that will completely change your at-home nail game. If you've ever wished for that flawless, salon-perfect French manicure without booking an appointment, this might be exactly what you need. I'm talking about the Kiss Salon Acrylic French Nail Manicure Set in medium-length square style called Je t'aime. It comes with 28 false nails, pink gel nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick. Basically everything you need to get polished, professional-looking nails right at home. Right off the bat, the design and concept are impressive. These aren't your typical press-on nails. They're acrylic-infused, which is a big deal because that means they're chip-free, bubble-free, and super durable. The tips are 25% thinner at the cuticle than many other brands, giving a seamless and natural look that really mimics a professional salon manicure. They're also flexible at the nail bed, which helps with comfort during daily wear. The kit is waterproof, smudge-free, and claims to last up to a week, so you're getting a pretty robust product for an at-home solution. In terms of real-world use, I tried applying these myself, and I have to say, the process is straightforward. The nails snap into place quickly, and the included glue sets fast without making a mess. The mini file and manicure stick are handy for adjusting the fit and smoothing edges. I wore them through my usual daily routine, typing, cooking, even a little cleaning, and they held up very well. There was no chipping in the first 5 days, and they maintained that glossy, clean finish. One thing to note, if your natural nails are shorter, you may need to file a bit more to ensure a snug fit at the cuticle. Otherwise, they feel surprisingly lightweight and comfortable. Let's talk pros and cons. The pros: easy to use, professional-looking results, durable wear, and a natural fit thanks to the thinner cuticle design. They also save time and money by replacing a salon visit. The cons: some users may find the medium length a bit long if they prefer subtle nails. And while the kit is well stocked, people with very small or large nails might need to adjust the sizing slightly. In terms of value for money, this kit definitely delivers. Considering the quality of the nails and the inclusion of all necessary tools, it's very competitive compared to salon visits or other DIY options. You're getting professional-grade materials and a finished look without the recurring expense. Compared to other at-home French manicure kits, Kiss stands out for its acrylic-infused durability and the precision fit around the cuticle. The build quality is solid. The nails are strong but flexible, and the packaging keeps everything organized. The included tools are functional, though minimalistic, but they get the job done. I haven't interacted with customer support directly, but Kiss has a strong reputation globally, which is reassuring. No updates are relevant here, so the current kit reflects the latest formulation and design. If you're looking for alternatives at a slightly lower price point, some other press-on brands work well for beginners, but they often lack the acrylic strength and thin cuticle design that really make these nails stand out. If you want that salon-level French manicure at home, Kiss is tough to beat. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, the Kiss Salon Acrylic French Nail Manicure Set strikes a great balance between convenience, durability, and salon-quality aesthetics. It's perfect for anyone who wants that elegant French look without spending hours at the salon, and it works well for both beginners and those who have tried press-ons before. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this kit, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase the set in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.